Once again, hello everyone. Welcome back to physical education class. We know this is a very tough time to stay at home due to lockdown. I hope you all are safe and healthy. First of all, my name is Shamsher Singh, physical education teacher from Cambridge International School, Dasua. In the last, as we discussed about chapter number 2, Olympic Value Education. Topics were Asian Games, Modern Olympic Games, Summer Olympics, and Winter Olympics. I hope you have understood these topics. Now we will start with next term Paralympic, International Paralympic Committee, Special Olympics, and History. First topic is Paralympics. This is similar to Olympic Games for disabled sports persons. In 1960, first time they were organized in Rome. The headquarters of International Paralympic is situated at Bonn in Germany. The International Paralympic is responsible for organizing Summer and Winter Olympic Games. At present, it comprises of 176 national Paralympic committees. The Paralympic Games is a major international multi-sport event involving athletes with a range of physical disabilities, including impaired muscle power, impaired passive range of movement, limb deficiency, leg length, different short stature, hypertonia, ataxia, orthosis, vision impairment, and intellectual impairment. Next is the Paralympic movement. In 1944, at the request of the British government, Dr. Ludwig Guttmann opened a spinal injury center at the Stoke Mandeville Hospital in Great Britain. Dr. Goodman's aim was to create an elite sports competition for people with disabilities that would be equivalent to the Olympic Games. The Paralympics has grown from a small gathering of British World War II veterans in 1948 to become one of the largest international sporting events by the early 21st century. The Paralympics has grown from 400 athletes with a disability from 23 countries in 1960 to thousands of competitors from over 100 countries in the London 2012 Games. Paralympians strive for equal treatment with non-disabled Olympic athletes, but there is a large funding gap between Olympic and Paralympic athletes. The Paralympic Games are organized in parallel with the Olympic Games. While the International Olympic Committee recognized Special Olympics, World Games include athletes with intellectual disabilities, and the Deaf Olympics include deaf athletes. These games later become the Paralympic Games, which first took place in Rome, Italy in 1960, featuring 400 athletes from 23 countries. Since then, they have taken place every 4 years. In the 1970s, the first Winter Games in Paralympic history were held in Sweden, and as with the Summer Games, have taken place every 4 years. Since the Summer Games of Seoul, Korea in 1988 and the Winter Games in Albertville in France in 1992, the Games have also taken part in the same cities and venues as the Olympics due to an agreement between the International Paralympic Committee and International Olympic Committee. The four international organizations experienced the need of coordinating the games, so they created the International Coordinating Committee Sports for the Disabled in the World in 1982. The International Committee of Sport for the Deaf and International Sports Federations for persons with an intellectual disability joined in 1986, but the deaf still maintained their own organization. However, the member nations demanded more national and regional representation in the organization. Finally, on 22 September 1989, the International Paralympic Committee was founded as an international non-profit organization in Dusseldorf, Germany, to act as the global governing body of the Paralympic movement. Next topic is International Paralympic Committee. The International Paralympic Committee is the global governing body of the Paralympic movement. Its purpose is to organize the Summer and Winter Paralympic Games and act as the international federation for 10 sports, supervising and coordinating world championship and other competitions. The vision of the IPC means International Paralympic Committee, run by 200 members, is to enable para-athletes to achieve sporting excellence and inspire and excite the world. All Paralympic Games are governed by the International Paralympic Committee. Next topic is Special Olympics. Special Olympics is the world's largest sports organization for children and adults with intellectual disabilities and physical disabilities, providing year-round training and competitions to 5 million athletes and unified sports partners in 172 countries. Special Olympics competitions are held every day all around the world, including local, national, and regional competitions, adding up to more than 1 lakh events a year. Like the International Paralympic Committee, the Special Olympics organization is recognized by the International Olympic Committee. However, unlike the Paralympic Games, Special Olympics World Games are not held in the same year in conjunction with the Olympic Games. Athletic competition in a variety of Olympic type sports for children and adults with intellectual disabilities, giving them continued opportunities to develop physical fitness, demonstrate courage, experience, participate in a sharing of gifts, skills, and friendship with their families, other Special Olympics athletes, and the community. The Special Olympics World Games is a major event put on by the Special Olympics. The World Games alternative between summer and winter games in 2 year cycles recurring every fourth year. The first games were held on July 20, 1968 in Chicago, Illinois, with about 1,000 athletes from the US and Canada. International participation expanded in subsequent games. In 2003, the first summer games held outside the United States were in Dublin, Ireland with 7,000 athletes from 150 countries. There are as many as 200 million people with intellectual disabilities around the world. The goal is to reach out to every one of them and their families as well. Special Olympics does this through a wide range of training, compilation, health screening, and funds-raising event. The next World Winter Games will be held in Åre and Östersund, Sweden between February 2 to 13, 2021. This will be the first time that Sweden has ever hosted the Special Olympics. Next is history. It all began in the 1950s and early 1960s when unique Kennedy Shriver saw how justly and unfairly people with intellectual disabilities were treated. She also saw that many children with intellectual disabilities did not even have a place to play. She decided to take action. Throughout the 1960s, Unique Kennedy Shriver continued her pioneering work. The Special Olympics was founded in 1968 by Unique Kennedy Shriver. The motivate of Special Olympics was to create a better world by fostering the acceptance and inclusion of all people. The first International Special Olympics Summer Games were held at Soldier Field in Chicago in 1968. About 1,000 athletes with intellectual disabilities from the USA and Canada competed in the first Special Olympics International Summer Games in Chicago. Over 200 events were offered, including broad jump, softball throw, 25-yard swim, 100-yard swim, high jump, 50-yard dash, water polo, and floor hockey. The event was so successful that Unique Kennedy Shriver soon pledged that more games would be held in 1970 and every 2 years thereafter in a Biennial International Special Olympics. In 1971, the US Olympic Committee gives Special Olympics official approved as the only other organization authorized to use the name Olympics in the United States. The second International Special Olympics Summer Games take place in Chicago. In 1993, Special Olympics International Winter Games were hosted in both Stavanger and Salzburg, Austria. It was the first time that Special Olympics were held outside the USA. In 2003, Ireland hosted the first Special Olympics World Summer Games to be held outside the United States. In March 2013, the Special Olympics Bharat program in India welcomed its 1 millionth registered athlete. The 2017 Special Olympics World Winter Games were held in the Graz and Suchladming in Styria in Austria. Dear students, if you have any queries regarding these topics, you can write me and you can call me. At the end, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for joining me.